joined Sunil Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stellar Academy produced Goa State Topper for JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
There's one day that I never forget and remember it quite often is the first time I played for my country, man. It was unbelievable. But the day before, the morning of the day, Suki sir, my first national team coach, in the morning he came to me and he's like, "You're going to start." I can't tell you how I was feeling, man. I took my jersey, I sprayed some perfume on it. I have no idea why. So that day, everything that happened, once he told me from breakfast to lunch and to the game and to my first goal in my debut to conceding late 80th minute. But now I did it. This last 1.5, 2 months, I did it. And it was very strange. I did it because probably I was going towards the decision that this next game is going to be my last. And the moment I told myself first that yes, this is the game that's going to be my last, is when I started recollecting everything. It was so strange. I started thinking about this game, this coach, that team, that member, that ground, that away match, this good game, that bad game, all my individual performances, everything came, all the flashes came. I'm not going to play for my country anymore after this game.